Hello everyone and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video today on XRP. So I hope you're all having a wonderful day today wherever you are in this great world. We're going to talk about XRP and I'm going to make a bold statement right now. It's Wednesday night, almost 9 o'clock, and I'm making this video. And we're looking at XRP on the one-day chart, sitting here just under 60 cents. Now, this video will go live at some point tomorrow, which is now today. And when this video goes live, I'm going to say the price of XRP is going to be higher, based on the fact that the Bitcoin ETFs trading goes live today, and I'm expecting some institutional money to pour into those ETFs. It could push the price of Bitcoin much higher, and if that happens, it's going to take XRP with it. And if I'm wrong, you can all call me out on it in the comments section down below. But I'm optimistic. I think the price of XRP is going to rise with the price of Bitcoin over the next 24 to 48 hours. So many XRP holders are calling it quits. Makes no sense to give up after all this time. Might as well keep your conviction. You know, every single day I see people all over X. I'm selling my XRP. I'm getting out of XRP. You should get out of XRP as well. You know, now is not the time to sell your XRP. This year is going to be an incredible year. You know, we just watched Bitcoin ETFs get approved. Soon we'll see an XRP ETF get approved. I'm sure of it. And then we're going to see the case end between Ripple and the SEC. That's also going to be very big for the price of XRP. This year we could also see value come from ISO. We could see value come from tokenization. Now is the time to hold your XRP. Now isn't the time to sell it. XRP price is awful. Someone is dumping heavily. I see that all the time as well. It even captured the attention of David Schwartz. First chart is both XRP and XLM over the past month. Second chart is both XRP and Cardano over the past month. So you see XRP and XLM, they pretty much run together. That's why I always said if you want to diversify, buy up some XLM. It's like double dipping on your investment. But even the price of XRP and ADA looks very similar. The charts look almost the same. But people don't talk about ADA, dumping out. They don't talk about XLM dumping out. They only talk about XRP dumping out because they want to FUD all over this cryptocurrency. And you gotta ignore the FUD. Keep holding this cryptocurrency. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse criticized Elon Musk's X platform and YouTube for ignoring XRP-related scams. Finally, Brad is criticizing this. And this is something that should have been taken off of X and YouTube a long time ago. It's the video featuring a highly realistic version of Garlinghouse stating, "I'm Brad Garlinghouse and I have some important news for you. I'm ready to present you with an airdrop." There is no airdrop coming. Stop falling for the scams and stop interacting with the bots on this channel. I still see people doing that on a daily basis. Now is the time to keep your crypto safe. This is going to be a very exciting year for crypto, and you want to be here for it. Don't lose your crypto. Keep it safe. I can't stress that enough. The IMF urges caution in Palau's fintech push, highlighting risk, anti-money laundering, and combating the financing of terrorism. The IMF, the BIS, everybody right now, even the ECB, all following exactly what the United States is saying, all at the same time. They're trying to say that crypto is only used for money laundering and terror finance. And they're all pushing for crypto regulations at the same time. I also think 2024 is the year we are going to see crypto regulations. And they're going to happen very fast when everybody least expects it. Because I think these regulations were already written up. I think they're going to be global crypto regulations. And all of a sudden, like an overnight event, regulations are going to be put in place. Crypto custody to hit $10 trillion by 2023. Actually, it's by 2030. But Brad Garlinghouse is going very big on custody, because that's what these institutions want. They want a place to keep their investments safe. You know, the banks want the same thing. They want fast payments, cheap payments, secure payments. They also want to custody assets, and they want a place where they can tokenize things as well. And Ripple is stepping up to the plate on every level, because they already have a cheap way to send money, a secure way, a fast way. Now they have a place to custody your assets. They also have a place to tokenize your assets. It's called the XRP ledger. Tokenization on the XRP ledger is coming soon. Trillions of dollars will flow into XRP. $100 is just the beginning. Once tokenization amps up, we could see the price of XRP take off very fast. Another reason you should be always holding XRP. XRP holders must read. In these images, Ripple CTO David Schwartz unveils the true value of XRP and its similarities to Bitcoin functions, emphasizing its decentralized nature and dispelling misconceptions about its exclusive use case by banks. Joel Katz firmly dismisses the notion that private banks can effortlessly clone an asset, labeling such claims as absolutely absurd. Remember when people kept saying the banks are going to create their own asset? They're never going to use XRP. You know, once one bank clones an asset, that's it, like the JP Morgan coin. It's all supposed to be the next XRP killer. But you know what? Over the years, XRP is still here. There's no alternative to XRP. But back in 2018, David Schwartz was very vocal. In yesterday's video, I showed how David is now being silenced by the lawyers. And I think that's happening because we're getting very close right now. Look, CBDCs are going live around the world very soon, in the very near future. Plus, a new financial system is ready to rise as well. I think they're silencing David because he was too vocal on things around XRP. And a lot of people invested because of things David said back then, because he was giving us the first hints on how big XRP is going to become. Shout out to Marvin on the reminder. Now, another thing I keep seeing once again is people keep saying they're never going to allow all these XRP holders to get rich. But not all XRP holders will get rich. Some will sell way too soon. And this chart was always a great chart. You see, people who have heard of crypto, people who own crypto, people who have heard of XRP, people who own XRP, people who own more than 25,000 XRP. And then you see all the normies out here. And a handful of people are going to get very rich from their XRP. But it's going to take a hell of a lot of patience. And it's going to take time to get to those price points as well. You don't want to sell too soon is what I'm saying. And anybody that holds this cryptocurrency should know exactly what they're holding. That's why I always like to point it out in my videos. I try to remind you of how big XRP is going to become. The following image shows Ripple employees like Rosie Rios, founder Chris Larson, and several others connected to Fed, U.S. Treasury, World Economic Forum, and the most important financial institutions all around the world. XRP is definitely created to be a world's reserve currency. You know, this is being talked about more and more right now as well. And even David Schwartz, the last very vocal thing he said is there could be multiple world's reserve currencies. And a lot of people are saying all the ISO cryptocurrencies could be used as world reserve currencies. And that is true. And I always said, XRP doesn't need to be a world's reserve currency because it's going to work as the world's bridge currency in between two CBDCs in the future. But again, who knows? Maybe XRP will become the next world's reserve currency. I mean, there's a lot of very important people sitting there working at Ripple. Ripple Labs launches $285 million buyback program to reclaim stake from early investors. Now, people are saying they're buying back XRP. They're not. They're buying back Ripple shares. But this can have an impact on the price of XRP. The buyback program is expected to have a significant impact on both Ripple Labs and its cryptocurrency XRP. Here are some potential outcomes. Increased share value. With fewer shares in the market, the value of each share is likely to increase. This could potentially lead to higher returns for current shareholders. That's the Ripple shares. Greater control. By buying back its shares, Ripple Labs can consolidate its control over its assets. This could give the company more flexibility in making strategic decisions. Improve financial position. The buyback program could strengthen Ripple Labs' financial position in the volatile crypto market, making it more resilient to market fluctuations. Positive impact on XRP. The buyback program could also have a positive impact on XRP. With the company's strengthened financial position, investors' confidence in XRP could increase, potentially leading to a rise in its price. But again, they're not buying back XRP like everybody's saying. They're buying back Ripple shares. The G20 telling you all the way back in 2023, there's a restructuring of economies. Every nation needs a digital transformation. And you see, a green and sustainable growth agenda for the global economy. This was happening while everybody was distracted, while everybody was looking at those Bitcoin ETFs. Everything is pushing into the digital age. The fourth industrial revolution is here. Stay invested in XRP. And if you want to diversify into the other ISO cryptocurrencies. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Make sure you get it right. And never forget, XRP. We are going to drive a massive demand for XRP because we are solving a multi-trillion-dollar problem. Brad Garlinghouse. The demand for XRP is going to continue to rise over time. And as it does, the price of XRP will rise as well. Don't get frustrated and sell too soon. Embrace the future of self-custody with Zomin. This used to be Zoom. Explore how Zomin is involving autonomous, secure value management on the XRP ledger. Find out about self-custody's role in today's digital world as its future potential. Become your own bank through Zoom. I'm going to call it Zoom from here on out. I just don't like the name Zomin. But Zoom Wallet was always a great place to store your crypto as well. I never had any problems there. But this year is going to be very big. And like I said, you got to keep your crypto safe now. Don't fall for the scams that are out there, because those scams are going to continue, with us all throughout 2024. People are going to continue to try to steal your XRP. Don't let it happen. And get your crypto off the exchanges as well. No exchange is 100% safe. But I like to make videos to remind you of what you're holding. And that's what today's video was about. I wanted to show you the value in it. I wanted to show you the narratives around this cryptocurrency as well. Because along the way, since I've been holding XRP, there's been so many narratives. Everybody bought because it was supposed to go to 10K overnight with the flip of the switch moment. Other people bought because of the buyback talk. Other people bought it because they seen the utility behind it and how Ripple could steal more business away from Swift over time. pushing it to a 3-digit asset. Other people bought it for multiple reasons. But you know, this year you look at this cryptocurrency and you see how Brad is pivoting all the time. I'm telling you, Brad's going to go big on AI next. That's the next direction he's going to take us in. So, because we already have tokenization, we have custody, we're involved with carbon credits and cross-border payments. The next big thing is going to be AI. Mark my words. And you know, you want to be here for all of it. Sure, you're early to crypto, but you're also very lucky. And I like to remind you of that because you can still buy XRP at cheap prices. But until it all happens, you got to stay patient and stay positive. Let's get rich together. With that said, I'm going to wrap up this video. I want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate all of you. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great night.